morning, boys and girls. It's Miss Lauver, and today we're going to be doing our last Eureka module lesson of the school year. Woohoo! And we're doing Module 6, Lesson 16 today, and I have our learning target and success criteria listed out for us. So our learning target is I can add up to 100 using place value understanding, because that's been the same for the last couple of days for us. So we're still working on addition. Our answer is still going to be 100 or less, and we're still doing place value, which is our tens and ones place. Our success criteria for today says, I'm successful when I can add a pair of two-digit numbers when the ones digits have a sum greater than 10 with a drawing. So we're adding two numbers that have two digits, so anything from 10 all the way up to 99. And our ones place will have a total or a sum that's bigger than 10. And instead of for us using the decomposition or the number bond method, we're going to be doing a drawing this time. All right, let's go ahead and jump into our concept development. So our first question today reads 39 plus 26 equals my mystery number. And our strategy for today is doing our pictures. So we're going to be drawing our picture for 39 and 26 using our quick tens and ones. But I'm going to do it up and down today. So that's called a vertical. So I'm going to do my pictures vertically, and I'm going to show you what that means. So let's start off with our 39 with my tens and ones, okay? So I need 3 quick tens because I have 3 tens. So 1, 2, 3. And I need 9 ones. So I'm going to draw my 9 ones over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same thing for 26, but this time I'm going to put my picture right underneath it. So my tens will be lined up vertically, and then my ones will be lined up vertically. So I'll show you what that means in just a second. And remember, vertical just means up and down. So I need 2 quick tens for 26, so I'm going to put my quick tens underneath my tens right here. So I'm going to have 2 quick tens. And I need 6 ones, so I'm going to do that underneath my ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now if I look at all of my ones right here, I know I definitely have more than 10. So I'm going to go ahead and make a bundle. Remember, when we have more than 10 ones, we make a bundle. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So circle all those. 9, and then 10. Okay, so I just made a new group of 10. And now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left out. So we can go ahead and count our tens and then our ones to get our answer. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. So my answer today is 65. Okay, and something new that we're going to be learning and practicing today is writing our number sentences vertically. So we're writing our number sentences going up and down, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. So I'm going to take 39, and right underneath it, I'm going to write 26, and I'm going to make sure that my numbers are lined up. So if you notice, my tens are lined up, and my ones are lined up perfectly, right? And we can just go ahead and add it like this. So let's start. We always start in the ones column, okay? We always start in the ones. So if I have 9, let's cover that up. 9 plus 6 is what? Well, we can look back at our picture over here. We have 9 orange dots and 6 blue dots. So 9 plus 6 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And we made a new bundle over here of 10. So we're going to add a 1 over here to the tens place, my little one, because we made a bundle, okay? So we made my bundle. I put it underneath the tens place because it equals 10 altogether. And now I have 5 left out of my picture, so I have 5 ones. So my 5 is going to go underneath the ones place. Now we can count up all of the tens that I have, okay? So I have 3 orange tens, I have 2 blue tens, and I have 1 bundle. So all together I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. And my answer is 65. We're going to keep practicing this today, okay? I'm gonna do one more practice question and then we'll move on to the problem set, okay? All right, our next example says 64 plus 36. All right, first step is we're going to split our, we're gonna split our first number into our tens and ones and draw our quick tens and ones. So I'm gonna need 6 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do the same thing for the second number. Split it if you need to. I need 3 quick tens, and make sure your picture goes underneath your tens, okay? 1, 2, 3, and then 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, I'm gonna check to see if I can make a bundle, and I know 6 and 4 makes 10, so I can make a bundle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna circle all of those together because I just made another group of 10 and I have no ones hanging out, so no ones left out. And now I can figure out my answer by just counting all my quick tens and counting by 10. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So my answer is 100. Okay? And now we have to practice writing our number sentence going up and down or vertically. So that would look like this: 64 and 36. Remember, because I have my tens lined up and I have my ones lined up. Okay, and 4 plus 6 equals 10 because we had 4 blue dots and 6 orange dots. So we made a new bundle. We made a group of 10. So we put our 1 down here. And I have nothing left out. So I have a 0 over here. There's no ones on my picture now, right? Now we count all the tens that we have left. So I have 6 blue tens. I have 3 orange tens. And I made 1 new group. So altogether I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 groups of 10. So my answer is 100. All right, we're gonna go ahead and move on to our problem set for today. I'm gonna do the first 2 questions and then y'all will be responsible for the last 4 on that page. Okay, so here I have 1A and 1B. These are the first 2 questions on your problem set, and then y'all are gonna do the last 4 on that page, okay? So let's go ahead and start with this first one right here, 29 plus 43. Remember that we are doing our quick tens today, so I'm gonna go ahead and split them up and see how much I have to draw. So I need 2 tens and 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I'm gonna do the same thing for 43. And remember that your tens go underneath your tens and the ones go underneath the ones. So I need 4 tens. And I need 3 ones. I'm gonna check to see if I can make a bundle, and I already know that I have more than 10, so let's see. 9, because there's 9 orange, so 9, 10, 11, 12. So let's go ahead and circle 10. So I made a new bundle. Remember, because more than 10 means you make a bundle. So I made my bundle, and now I have 2 left out. So now let's see how much I have all together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72. All right, and the last step that you have to do is write your number sentence going vertically. So we have 29 and we have 43. We're gonna add those up together. Remember that my ones are lined up and my tens are lined up. If you need to, you can draw this chart all the way down, just like that. All right, let's see. I need 9 and 3. Well, we can look back at our picture. I have 9 orange dots and 3 blue dots. So what does that equal? Let's look at just the ones. Well, I have 10, 11, 12, right? So I have 2 dots left out. And I made a new bundle, so I put my 1 down here. So now how many tens do I have? I have 2 orange tens, 4 blue tens, and we made a new group of 10. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 groups of 10. Okay, let's move on to the last example. All right, I have 34 plus 49. So I'm going to split this up and draw my quick tens and ones. I need 3 tens, 1, 2, 3, and 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4. Do the same thing for 49. Okay, I need 4 tens this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I need 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm gonna check to see if I can make a bundle, which I can. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm gonna circle all of those up that make a 10. And I have 3 left out. And now we can count by tens and then ones to get our answer. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83. And then the very last step is to write our number sentence going up and down vertically. So you have 34 and 49. Remember that my ones are lined up and then my tens are lined up, okay? I'm gonna like to split it down the middle. It makes it a lot easier. All right, now I have 4 orange dots and then 9 blue dots. We're looking at just the ones over here. Well, how many do I have left out? 1, 2, 3. So that goes underneath my ones place. I made a new group over here out of my ones. So I'm gonna add my bundle down here. So 1 extra group of 10, because this is my tens place. And now we can add them up all together. So now for the tens place, I have 3 orange, 4 blue, and 1 new bundle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 groups of 10. All right, boys and girls, this was just a little step further than what we have been doing by continuing to make bundles. And then this time we added in the step of writing our number sentences going vertically or up and down. And y'all are going to do the last 4 questions on that page for today. And if y'all need any help at all, please reach out to me. Y'all know how to reach me. And remember that Miss Lawver loves and misses you all. Bye, guys.